SMT Thermal Discoveries are the experts in thermal processes from -50 degrees Celsius up to 450 degrees Celsius. With highly stable reflow soldering systems, vacuum soldering to reduce voiding in solder joints, whether you need temperature treatment systems with standard equipment or flexible solutions, SMT Thermal Discoveries have the machine to your thermal challenges.
Hello, I'm Kim Sauer for Global SMT and Packaging. I'm here at Productronica 2021 for the first time in a number of years, and I'm delighted to be joined today by Herve Javice from IoTech.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, welcome. Now, I'm really excited about being here with you because
Thank you.
sometimes companies come along who really embrace innovation, embrace disruption, and IoTech is one of those companies. Give us a little bit of a feel how it all started, what's the idea behind it?
So it started nearly 6 years ago, and that's when I joined forces with Michael Zeno, who is one of these technology geniuses, who really has a vision and is quite exceptional. And we came together and we realized that there was a need in the 3D printing market. All the machines at that time, well, basically you had a machine and you need to develop specific materials for these machines. And we realized there was a need for a machine that would be agnostic to materials, that could take any material and print it. Mm-hmm. And that didn't exist at all. Mm-hmm. So that's how we started. We started working. We just had a technical problem. We had no idea what we'd be doing with that technology. It was brilliant technology, but without an application. So that was not a real business yet. And then we progressed and we understood, and that was thanks to a gentleman we met from Henkel, that there was a pressing need in the field of electronics. And this is when we started working on that. The sad thing, it was no longer 3D, it was mostly 2D, but that was not relevant. And at the end of the day, we come up with a machine. We're in the deposition business. This is our world. We do deposition. Mm-hmm. And we developed the continuous Laser Assisted Deposition, CLAD, which is, just imagine, you have something, a system, which has the throughput of a screen printer, the flexibility of a dispensing machine, and the precision and resolution of an inkjet printer. Mm-hmm. And this is what we've developed.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and in the last 6 years, obviously, you've expanded into the markets, and what sort of particular markets are you attracting?
So we are launching now. This is really our first press release for the fundraising from our two strategic investors, that ASM Pacific Technology and Henkel. And so that was our first press release after 5 years. And the markets we are targeting are the semiconductor packaging and the PCB manufacturing and assembly. So we are very focused on these markets. There is a clear need in the market for higher miniaturization, also faster if we can. What I was telling somebody is, people need to think out of the box, because we got rid of the box, we got rid of the constraints. And when we met people here, it has been amazing, because these very senior professionals in the electronics industry were coming to see us at our machine, and they had in their eyes these lights of children in front of a toy store. Mm-hmm. This was so groundbreaking, so disrupting, that they were really enjoying themselves and asking for a lot. So there is a lot of potential in these three fields. We could apply to many other things, but today we don't have the bandwidth, so we are focused on these three fields.
Mm-hmm. And at the moment, unfortunately, the last 2 years we were quite, held back in a way by the world and what was going on in the world with the pandemic. But we're here, we're in Munich, and also you've been extremely successful, not only from the feedback obviously you got from the customers at the stand, but also with a lot of awards. So tell us about your successes on that level.
Oh yes, this is quite unbelievable. We're a young company. Okay, 6 years. We're not born yesterday, but it's very young for a company. And we arrive here with we have our 25 square meters of booth here. We have our machine, and suddenly we're being told that we are won the Young Company Award. The first prize. We also won the Grown Up Awards as the Innovation Award of Proctronica. So it has been we've been very honored to have this dual awards at Proctronica for a company who is here for the first time. So this has been tremendous, I must say.
Well, congratulations on that, and I'm honored that I've been able to listen to the story, listen to the success. Thank you very much for your time also today.
Thanks a lot for having us.
I wish you continued great success.
Thank you.